PRemployer helps our clients deal with all aspects of employee management. I think we help them in two ways. One is that we help them stay compliant with all the laws and regulations that govern their particular workplace. The other aspect that we help them is to determine how we can make their place of employment enjoyable to the workers, safe for their workers, productive, efficient, and effective. And what we try to do is give back our clients time. It's a very precious commodity. And if we can give them back time, they can focus on their clients and we focus on the things that aren't their expertise.
Outsourcing, particularly your payroll, can be really scary for people. And then often, if we can get a prospect to trust us enough to share with us what those concerns are, that we'll find in 90% of the time that a lot of what they're worried about is just that, misinformation. Our customers are our friends. They become an extension of our family. We want to see them do well.
The client needs to have confidence that you're going to deliver on their problems and concerns as they arise in the workplace. It's like COVID-19 and our response to the pandemic. We were on the forefront of providing information, and that gave our clients a lot of comfort in knowing that we were on their team with them.
And I have heard more clients say this year, I've never been more appreciative of our relationship with PRemployer because I see now the value you provide in times of crisis and times of need.
Most of our customers would say that they get more. They thought they're getting a lot more.
We actually approach every meeting with the intent of listening and getting to know exactly what your objectives are, so then we can customize a solution that works for you and your business. I want to be part of a solution that leaves businesses better than I found them.